Alden Richard date and during Christmas party ng McDo ni Alden sa Bian Highway.
First and foremost, gusto ko
Last
thank
night.
you for all your hard work and sa lahat ng dedication na binibigay niyo for our store. Maraming salamat. Of course,
Yan yung mga picture videos ni Alden.
sana huwag kayong magsawa, sana huwag kayong mapagod, although there are times na talagang minsan mararamdaman natin yan, but hindi naman, it's not how many times you fall down, but how many times you get up, diba? And thank you sa mga bagay na dapat natin pinakonsider. And of course, isa sa mga dapat na pinaprioritize natin when it comes to having a business such as this is of course yung customer service. That's number one. Kasi yun yung reason kung bakit nila tayo babalik-balikan. Kahit marami pa tayong kalatan dyan. Siguro one thing that we can be proud of is we can build quality customer service to our customers. No? So I would like to thank each and every one of you. Maraming salamat for being part of the family. And
Kasi ito pa yung eksena ni Yamada, Eduardo Teresita. No-stage pa nga ni Eduardo hanggang sa namatay si Yamada. And behind the scene ni Alden sa kanyang endorsement na Casino Plus, kung saan nag-host si Alden sa color game. Dami pa nga tao sa labas pinapanood si Alden And starstruck sila kay Alden. And very plainly si Alden diyan sa mga staff diyan sa Casino Plus. And marami nag-enjoy sa game. Kasi Alden yung naging server. And nagpa-picture din mga staff kay Alden. And may bungat pa nga si Alden dyan, yung mga tutupad na wishes, 3 yung during live. Yan si Alden galing mag-host si Alden Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Future Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.